you go.
Thanks. I'm Roxana, and we're at Cosmic Bliss, a super sustainable scoop shop in Portland. Can I have a cup of dark chocolate ice cream? Working towards a cleaner community, just like our friends Molly and Jacob. Ooh, with sprinkles.
Let me get that started for you.
Let's go bring them some ice cream. Thanks for having us.
Welcome to Portland.
So how did your business get started?
I'm a crime scene cleaner, hoarding expert. I started that when I was in high school, doing my first couple of cleanups. I saw how much of a need there was out there and the level of impact it had. To save costs, families will end up doing it themselves, and it's pretty traumatizing for them. I have a pretty deep conviction that no one should ever have to clean up the remains of a loved one, even if that means they can't afford to pay for it. And so it was that idea that I started running with through social media, letting people know that they don't have to go through this type of stuff alone. And within the first week, I had like over 1 million views. We've gone to Georgia, Louisiana, Arizona to do these free hoarding home cleanup projects for people in need.
Wow.
We can't predict what's gonna happen with his business and where we're gonna wanna go. Being on the move and just being flexible is what's gonna work best right now.
With landing, it allows us that freedom and flexibility to jump from job site to job site. 2 weeks notice to move out. That's huge.
Yeah.
Drive there, hop a flight over, and we're moved in. It allows us to hit the ground running wherever we go to.
We don't have to pay for moving furniture or pay for furniture.
Hiring movers, getting your stuff across.
Getting a U-Haul, it just saves a lot of cost.
Logistically speaking, moving across nation is no easy feat.
Yeah.
But with landing, it makes it a lot easier.
So with all of the little parts of moving taken care of by landing, you're freed up to help more people.
Right. Anything that helps us help the most people possible is so worth it to us. And Landing's network of homes lets us do that.
I'm Molly.
I'm Jacob, and we help more people because of Landing.